Now students, let us solve sums from practice set 4.2. So the first sum is construct triangle XYZ such that YZ is 7.4 centimeter, that means this is base. Angle XYZ, that means angle Y, is 45 degree, and XY minus XZ, that means subtraction of two sides is given, equal to 2.7 centimeter. So let us start with the rough figure. It is better to draw a rough figure first. So YZ equal to 7.4 centimeter. Angle Y is 45 degree. So I'll denote like this. Angle Y 45 degree. Okay. As soon as you get angle Y 45 degree, you have to check. So X will be somewhere over here, right? X will be somewhere over here. Now we have to check angle के attached में जो side है XY, whether it is greater than XZ. So XY पहले आता है. XY, I'll write it with pen. XY minus YZ is equal to 2.7 centimeter, and therefore XY is greater than, sorry, यहाँ पे it's YZ, XZ, sorry, XY is greater than XZ. Okay, once you have this, that means what, you don't have to draw opposite ray. यहाँ पे हम लोग locate करेंगे. Now take point D नहीं, we'll take some other point. Take point W such that Y से लेके W तक YW is equal to what, this only information we are going to take. Random point W लिया है तो उसका लेंथ क्या लेते हैं हमेशा, it is this extra information length which is given 2.7 centimeter. Okay, now let us start drawing the figure. First draw 7.4 centimeter properly. 0 and 7.5 मत लेगा, 7.4 लेना है. Precision is important. First mark the point और वो दोनों point के बीच में line draw करना. Okay, after drawing that, draw YZ is equal to 7.4 centimeter. After that, take 45 degree angle. Keep it at Y. And 45 degree, 40 ये है, and this will be 45. Now draw the line, long line. It's okay, this much line is okay. Now we have to take YW. So W हम लोग को we have to take on this ray only. So it is 2.7 centimeter. You don't have to mention कि we are taking on the same ray. Just we know, so we can take. But when you are taking it on the opposite ray, just mention that take point W such that it is lying on the opposite ray to the ray. This ray you can give the name randomly as Y and L. Okay, randomly. Opposite ray to ray YL. ऐसा mention करना is important. Okay. Take 2.7 centimeter. Alright. After taking 2.7 centimeter, put pointer at Y and draw an arc. This point that we get is point W. Okay, point W हम लोग लेते हैं, which is at 2.7 centimeter. Now W and Z you have to join. Join point W and Z. After joining point W and Z, now you have to draw perpendicular bisector of segment WZ. Okay. Keep point, metal point at point Z. Take more than half distance. take more than half distance and draw arc up and down. Now keep at point W. Up and down. We'll get 2 points of intersection. We have to pass a ray. Now cut to cut, यहाँ पे we get intersection point, but still, just to not make mistake, what do? What we'll do is we'll extend this ray. Sometimes that's why students, I keep on saying that ray, draw it little longer because of this only. So I'll extend this ray because ray can go as long as possible. Extend it. Now we'll join these 2 points. We'll join these 2 points properly, and we have to draw a long ray such that this ray YL जो हम लोगों ने ड्रॉ किया था उसको जाके कट करना चाहिए. और this YL should be over here, huh? Because this, otherwise everybody will get confused that this is point L. It is not point L. It is intersect जहाँ पे होता है perpendicular bisector. That becomes our main point which we wanted to locate, which is point X. Okay, so this is the perpendicular bisector of segment WZ, and now you can join Y and Z to get actual triangle. So X lies on the perpendicular bisector of segment YWZ, and that's why it is equidistant from the end points of the segment. So these 2 segments also you can just tell them that how they are equidistant by giving the same symbol. So this construction you can see it was so easy. ऐसा हर बार necessary नहीं कि यहाँ पे तुम लोग को show करना पड़ेगा. Just if you draw the original triangle XYZ and show all the elements, you should know but where to exactly locate point W, जब subtraction रहता है, कब addition रहता है, और किस segment का perpendicular bisector draw करना चाहिए. Once you know that, you don't have to always locate in the rough figure. Just draw properly in the fair figure. Okay? If fair figure you don't draw properly, then you will get your marks will be cut. All right. Now I'll directly solve third question. I won't solve second question because that will be there for homework. Right. Now it is said that construct triangle ABC such that BC is 6 centimeter. That means base. ABC is equal to 100 degree. So BC, you have 6 centimeter. ABC, that means angle B is 100. So 100 is going to be obtuse angle. Everybody know that. It is not going to be acute angle. ऐसा मिलेगा हम लोग को. BC is 100. So ऐसा रे हम लोग को draw करना पड़ेगा. Let us see how this construction will turn out. 100 degree. And AC minus AB is 2.5 centimeter. Now थर्ड पॉइंट BC यहाँ पे, तो थर्ड पॉइंट कौन सा रहेगा ट्रायंगल का? A रहने वाला है. राइट. सो वो ज्वाइन करना है, एंड दिस पॉइंट डेफिनेटली इज गोइंग टू बी A. Okay, where it is that we have to locate, but before that we have to decide whether the side which is attached to this angle, whether it is greater or smaller. So let us see that. So we know AC minus AB is equal to 2.5 centimeter. That means AC big bada minus chota is always we do in subtraction. So AC is greater than AB. So let us see side AC is attached to the angle or no. So it is not attached. So what do we have to do? We have to take point, यहाँ पे भी D लेते हैं, random point D, on the opposite ray of ray BL. ओके, B से लेके L तक का जो हम लोग रे ड्रॉ करेंगे उसके ऑपोजिट रे पे ड्रॉ करेंगे, सच दैट BD will be what? BD will be equal to this information, 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so now let us draw. Okay, opposite ray ड्रॉ करने वाले हैं, that's why I am going to leave little space. मिडल में से स्टार्ट करूंगी थोड़ा सा, so that नीचे थोड़ा space रहेगा. So draw for 6 centimeter. So this will be BC, okay, equal to 6 centimeter. Now we have to locate point D, point A. No, we have to draw angle 100. From point B. 0 you have to start, and this is 90 and this is 100. So 100 के ऊपर you mark it properly. So we get obtuse angle. Draw the ray, and opposite side पे, opposite ray पे we have to locate point D. So you have to draw more longer ray. First take these 2 points on the scale, locate करो before stretching line, and then stretch a long line and पीछे भी आ जाओ. So we'll get opposite ray also. Now from point B, opposite side पे we have to locate point D at 2.5 centimeter. So you take first 2.5 centimeter on protector, on compass. 2.5 centi. So yeah. After taking 2.5, put it at point B and draw an arc. Okay. Now this will be point D, which is at 2.5 centimeter. Now as soon as you get point D, you have to join it with point C, because वही एक point रह गया है always. जब भी हम लोग extra point लेते हैं, हम लोग third vertex से join कर देते हैं, and the segment that we get, we always draw perpendicular bisector of that segment. It is as easy as that. Okay. So now CD जो मिला है ना यार, उसका perpendicular bisector draw करो, and then immediately you will be able to locate point A. So I'll take more than half. So this is more than half. Up and down at point D. Up and down. After that, you pass a line from this. Now students, it is going to be little tedious. So this line, यहाँ पे और भी space होना चाहिए था. I should have not drawn, or I should have not written with the pen. But students, it is better to take longer pages or leave space. Now we have to join. I'll take bigger scale. Then I'll put that point this. Okay. And then stretch a long line. See where we get ring. So you'll not be able to see it properly, but students, now that you know that how I get the figure, it is better you leave lot of space. Okay. Now this will be point which we wanted, that is point A. Okay. So I'll write it anyhow over here, but while you draw, you can just leave lot of space. Alright. Otherwise, it's better if you don't write this over here. Just write it somewhere in the इसके नीचे लिखो, so that ये side पे you will have space. ये diagram के नीचे ऐसा छोटा सा लिखो. Now this point A you have to join with point C, because we wanted point A, B, C, right? Point C and point A. Yes, that's it. So we get point A, B, C. Okay, so AB will be equal to AC now. Sorry, AD will be equal to AC, because this is the perpendicular bisector of segment CD. So this is how we get this big triangle, triangle ADC. Such a huge triangle, no? So you will draw it properly, draw second construction also properly. It is very easy.